In Google Calendar, if you want to set up an out of office message, it's really easy to do. Here I am in Google Calendar on my laptop, and I just go over to the create button here, out of office. And what you can do is, let's say you want to specify it just for one day. That's when it starts, that's when it ends. You could say, I don't work Mondays. Okay, and so we could make it every Monday. We can make it a repeat message. Okay, and to do that, you just say it repeats weekly on Monday. And you can automatically decline meetings so that people will get that out of office message straight away. Or you can just say only decline new meetings. And also, if you want to make it just for a limited time, you can certainly do that. You can specify the start and end time as well. So this is in Google Calendar, a nice easy way when people are booking meetings with you to say, hey, I'm not around, I'm not being rude, I'm actually replying. And now if you do have an out of office, if you want to change that message, you can just edit it here very easily. Okay, I've made that from 9:30 a.m. That should have been an all-day message. And also, if you want to make a change to it, you can change just for this occurrence or for all events. And that's how you do it. Nice and easy. If you want to delete your out of office message, then just click on it again and hit delete. And once again, you can just delete it for just this occasion or for all events from then on.